Alright guys, so if you are on the main page for class, you are going to click on assignments and then click on the RD 1.2 Elena Part 3 assignment. Now mine looks different because I'm the teacher, but yours, this is what it will look like. So the very first instruction says to download Part 3 by clicking the three dots and selecting download. So I gotta hide that. I'm going to click on these three dots. I'm going to click on download, and up here it says student copy of RD 1.2 Elena Part 3 of 3.pptx saved to downloads folder. I'm going to go over here on the left hand side, click on files with the green check mark, click on downloads, and boom, it's right there. I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and it says, are you sure you want to open this? Yeah, I'm sure I want to open it. So I'm going to click OK. Good job, sweetie. And it takes a minute to open sometimes. Then we have this yellow ribbon up top. It's like, be careful, watch out, this might have a virus. Just go ahead and click enable editing. This is mine. I promise I didn't load it full of viruses. And we have all of our instructions here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 1, listen to the audio recording. Number 2, type the Spanish. Number 3, type the English. Number 4, add some pictures. Number 5, put everything in order. Now, since this is the first part of this, we are only going to do 1 through 4 on 4 slides today, and we'll finish the rest tomorrow. So if we start with slide number 2, we're going to go ahead and hold Control on our keyboard and then click on the recording. And it's going to open up the audio for us, all right? And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to split screen this so that way I can see the audio and my slide at the same time. So I'm going to go ahead and snap this over to one side and snap this here. And I'm going to click play.
Tina le dice a Sam, ¿Tienes un teléfono iPhone para mi gato Bob?
All right, that was kind of a lot, so I'm going to click play again, and I'm going to try to type at the same time.
Tina le dice a Sam.
Okay, that's enough. So what I did over here is I double-clicked. Hold on. And that way it highlights everything, and then I can just start typing over, okay? So I know it said Tina le dice a Sam, and then I'm going to listen to the rest.
¿Tienes un teléfono iPhone para mi gato Bob?
All right, I'm going to double click here again. ¿Tienes un teléfono iPhone para mi gato Bob? And I'm going to listen to it again just to make sure that I typed everything that was said in that recording.
Tina le dice a Sam, ¿Tienes un teléfono iPhone para mi gato Bob?
All right, that looks good to me. Now I need to go through and I need to make sure that this is perfect because I know that the teacher said that she was really lenient on her grading for part 2, and she's probably going to be a lot harsher for her grading on part 3. So I want to make sure that I really have all of the question marks and accents that I need. So I'm just going to go ahead and steal this question mark here. And I know that teléfono has an accent on the E here. All right. So Tina le dice a Sam, ¿Tienes un teléfono iPhone para mi gato Bob? And I know grammatically there's supposed to be a comma there. All right, so Tina le dice a Sam is Tina says to Sam. Now, I know that in the second part of the recording, the second part of the assignment, a lot of people thought that le dice means asks. That's not what that means. Le dice means says, okay? And then this next part here, she says, do you have an iPhone telephone for my cat, Bob, question mark. All right, so Tina says to Sam, do you have an iPhone telephone for my cat, Bob? So now we're going to have to Google a picture. We're going to, let's see, cat with, wait, no, the cat doesn't have a phone yet. So girl says to Sam.
Tell me how to do it.
It's already sharp, baby. You don't need it sharp. All right, I'm gonna click on images. Oh, how about Tina says to Sam? Okay, we'll take this one. I'm gonna copy this image and paste it over here. Super. My picture isn't covering any of my words, so that way the teacher doesn't have to be like, what did you type there? Right? Because that would be annoying. Okay. So then we're going to go ahead and go on to slide number 3. Now, if at any point you need to pause this video, please feel free. Okay. That's why it's recorded. All right. So number 3, slide number 3.
Watch Rainbow Movie.
No, you have Moana on upstairs. We're going to do the same thing we did with slide number 2. We're going to hold down Control on our computer and then click on the speaker icon. It's going to take us to the recording and we're going to click play.
Sam le dice a Tina, sí, tengo un teléfono extra para su gato.
Okay, that one didn't seem too hard, so let's try it again.
Sam le dice a Tina,
All right, Sam le dice a Tina. So over on my slide, I'm going to double click or maybe triple click. Sam le dice later, baby. A Tina. Later, baby.
sí, tengo un teléfono extra para su gato.
Sí, tengo un teléfono extra para su gato. It's I'm going to listen to the audio again just to make sure that what I typed is correct.
Sam le dice a Tina, sí, tengo un teléfono extra para su gato.
All right, that looks good to me. Now I just got to make sure that everything is grammatically correct here. I know that C needs an accent on the I, but there's no I here that I can steal. So I have to go up top to insert symbols, symbol, and then I'm going to scroll through these to try to find the I that I like. Now this one, it's here. It's called Latin small letter I with acute. And I'm going to click insert and close. The other thing you can do with that one is you can just go to Google and type in I with accent and steal it from Google. That's fine. I also know that teléfono needs an accent on the E, and I'm just going to steal this E to put it here. All right. And I'm going to listen to that audio one more time just to be sure that what I typed is actually correct, just in case.
Sam le dice a Tina, sí, tengo un teléfono extra para su gato.
Awesome. Okay. So Sam le dice a Tina means Sam says to Tina. Oh, this needs a comma in here. Yes, comma. I have an extra telephone for your cat. Great. So now I'm going to find a picture. So Sam with phone. I'm going to go to images. Okay, this is ridiculous. So I'm going to go ahead and take this one. Sam the man and the cell phone plan. This is just so ridiculous. I love it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put that here. I don't even know what this is. All right. So then, all right, now we have 2 slides done. We are halfway there for the day. Okay, let me just make sure that I'm still recording, I think. Oh, yep, show him. Cool. All right, so then we're going to go ahead and go to slide number 4. And we're going to go ahead and listen to our... Sorry. We're going to go ahead and control click so we can listen to the audio. I'm going to click play.
Tina le da el teléfono iPhone al gato.
Okay, I'm gonna try it again.
Tina le da el teléfono iPhone al gato.
All right, I'm gonna listen to it one more time. I typed it out. I think it said Tina le da el teléfono iPhone al gato. Let's see.
Tina le da el teléfono iPhone al gato.
Yep, sounds good to me. We're gonna go ahead and we have to put an accent on that E. I'm gonna go ahead and steal this E from down here because it's just easier. All right, and this sentence means Tina gives the iPhone telephone to the cat. Perfect. Tina gives the iPhone telephone to the cat. All right, now we need to find a picture maybe of a cat with a phone. Ooh, this guy looks ridiculous. Oh, no. Where was that guy's with the ridiculous face? This guy will be fine. He's like, excuse me, I'm on the phone. I need you to go away. All right. Shrink that down a bit so it doesn't cover the words. Beautiful. Well, maybe we'll put it over here a little bit. Okay. So Tina gives the iPhone telephone to the cat. That's an iPhone, right? Yeah, it's close enough. That was a quick one. All right, then we're going to go on to slide number 5. We're going to control click on the speaker. Listen to our audio.
Tina va a Ding Dong, Texas.
What?
Tina va a Ding Dong, Texas.
All right. Tina va a Ding Dong, Texas. You got to say Texas like that. All right. So, what does this mean? Tina goes to Ding Dong, Texas. All right. So I guess I'm going to look up Ding Dong, Texas. Ding Dong, Texas. See? You got to say Texas like that. Okay. So, it's a real place. Okay, this one's funny. But let's see. It is a real place. Okay, this one seems ridiculous enough for me. Copy the image, paste it over to here. Oh God, what did I do? I was moving 2 things at once. There we go. All right. So, for the first part of the assignment, I have my first 4 slides done. Each slide has English, Spanish, and a picture. So here's slide number 2. Tina le dice a Sam. Tina says to Sam, ¿Tienes un teléfono iPhone para mi gato Bob? Do you have an iPhone telephone for my cat Bob? Slide number 3 says Sam le dice a Tina. Sam says to Tina, Sí, tengo un teléfono extra para su gato. Yes, I have an extra telephone for your cat. Slide number 4 says Tina le da el teléfono iPhone al gato. Tina gives the iPhone telephone to the cat. And slide number 5 says Tina va a Ding Dong, Texas. Tina goes to Ding Dong, Texas. All right, so that is it for the first part here. So we're going to make sure that we save it. We're going to click File. I'm going to click Save As. And I'm going to click Browse. Because I know I want mine on my desktop. So I'm going to click Desktop. And I'm going to save mine as, let's see, I'm going to save mine as my name. And then part 3. I don't know. That just seems easy, okay? I'm going to click Save. And now it should be on my desktop. All right? And it's going to be like, hey, we can't save it because there's a weird font. Yeah, whatever. Click OK. It's fine. And that should be it. Okay? And then we will finish part 2 of part 3. That's weird. Tomorrow.